What's up, Trace?
Hey, we're excited.
Connected.
Good day, guys. It's finally here. Well, last night we finally met up with Kevin and Tracy. And this morning we're going to go meet up with them again. I'm loaded up. Mario is going to be out here in a second, and he's going to be a bit. So let's get cracking here. Let's get going. I'm going to zip down the road, see if we can find some fuel. Meet up with the boys over at the Eaton Park, I think it's called, and going to be pulling out of here around 8 o'clock. Mario!
Morning.
We are getting ready. Everyone's ready to go. Look at this. What a great bunch of guys. BWOM10 is ready to go. Push my little button here. Hey, we got Dave on here now.
Yo.
Good stuff, man. That's a nice group of bikes. It's going to be a good run. Alrighty, so I guess I'll have this recording for our pull out.
Oh, yeah.
Get a little bit of adjustment there.
Yeah.
Ooh, smell that gas.
Smells like freedom. Smells like America.
America. BWOM10, guys.
We're on it.
We're here. Yep, it rained. What's up there, guys? How you liking this weather?
I mean, it's fine to me. I'm tired. What are we at? 50?
It's good. It's a nice ride, man. It's beautiful down here.
Pace is okay. It's fun.
Well, let's finish getting ready here. And we're gone. First quick stop of the day. We've, I don't know, we burned about $5 in fuel. Not too friggin' bad. So, there we go. We're at this place called the Purple Cow. Yeah, it's utterly delicious. It's quite the ride so far. Yeah. There we go. So we're about 170 miles away from Deals Gap now. Time for supper. We made it. We're down in Deals Gap. What's up, Trace?
Hey, we're excited.
Not too bad. How about you, man?
Not bad, not bad.
So, what's the deal for the weekend?
We are at Two Wheel Inn outside of Robbinsville, North Carolina.
Yeah.
And we're going to go ride the Dragon this weekend.
Yes.
Tomorrow.
Not yet.
Tomorrow and Saturday and whatever the hell else we feel like.
Yeah, exactly.
Right now it's nighttime and we're hanging out and we're drinking beer and I'm handing out stickers and t-shirts, whatever the hell else we can find, and there's like 20 of us here and we're having a good time.
Perfect.
Hang out.
Well, morning. Everyone's getting the bikes out. Getting ready to go for breakfast today. What's up, man?
I'm just trying to get ready to ride the Dragon.
Just everyone's getting all their stuff ready. Getting all their extra camera angles. More camera angles right here. You got the helmet cams. I think we're pretty much set. Okay, man. Let's switch over to the helmet. Let's get to the Dragon. There's only going to be 2 of us today talking. What's up there, Struckus?
Not much, buddy. What's up?
We're about to do the Dragon, mofo. Mario does not want to be distracted, so he's leaving his communicator off. Holy motherfucker!
That was loud.
See how shot through my head back? I think it was a bird. Holy oh.
Oh man, that was loud.
Holy crap, I'm gonna have to go back on the video and see if you can see the thing going kamikaze on my melon.
Oh man.
So we made it to the Gap, as you can see. We're just on one of the scenic lookouts here. Well, I figured out I get I get motion sick. I'm actually getting a little motion sick up here. It's so friggin' twisty, man. It's awesome. Good shot of that dam there. That's pretty awesome, man. Dave,
Yo,
what are you thinking so far there, buddy?
crazy, man.
This is nuts, eh?
Very twisty. But you gotta get used to it, man.
Oh yeah, no doubt. No freaking doubt.
Yes, it is. Where are you going from for a bit? Get some more footage of you. You don't mind?
Not at all.
This is really cool, though. It's like a roller coaster.
I'm kind of upset that I can't handle the friggin'. I can't handle it.
Yeah.
It makes me ill. That is so fucked up.
The whole way. The whole way. All the way.
I'm getting a little dizzy. It's making me a little. Get out.
How'd you have it on the bike? Why would you? Then they didn't tether it? You didn't tether it off? Why not?
Guess what? You know what I found on the road? A GoPro. Yeah, we stopped.
You trusted your suction cup. You did break that though.
I had to go out and frickin' dodge people to get the fucker.
Thank you. It's been good. You know why? I had a black bear cross in front of me.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I'm coming around the corner. See this black, medium size, not big, but medium size. Just fucking
Oh, it's still there. You just gotta attach it.
Yeah. It broke a corner piece, but. So we're gonna go down there, turn around, come back. There's a cop down here.
Oh, yeah, cop. Doesn't matter. We're not doing over 50.
Oh, no. We're not going fast at all.